Mulupulo Beach is located in Liloan, Southern Leyte, Philippines. It's a white sand beach and you will enjoy the beach Bangkok. You can paddle your own or hire someone to paddle for you. Snorkeling stand-up paddling is the perfect way to access the nature's most. Mulupulo White Sand Beach Resort. Simple, yet beautiful sand and clear sea water. Tagbac Marine Park is located in the low-end Southern Leyte, Philippines. The heart of activities in Tagbac Marine Park is rocky islet Upliao. Stunted crabs jutting out the marine protected Azores waters. A wooden gazebo serves as a shaded area for visitors to enjoy a 360 panoramic view of the marine park. Kayaking, stand-up paddling can be enjoyed in this place. Bal's Inn and Beach Resort is located in Hubas, Libagon, Southern Leyte, Philippines. Pollution and hassle-free location, perfect for vacation and even perfect for relaxation and some detox if you're from crowded city in metropolitan. You really need to visit this place once you are in the vicinity. You can unwind, relax, and have a really good time. Anyone in that place knows that resort and the place is just small so you won't be lost. Anyway, if you want to go there, you can leave a comment if you're happy to visit this place. I'm happy to help you and give a direction how to get there. Thank you. Nigilan Mountain Resort is located at Barangay Kanangkaan, Sugod, Southern Leyte, Philippines. For the ultimate in healthscapes for your mind and body, you can definitely enjoy at Nigilan Mountain Resort. I think that is a perfect place for prenuptials shoots. The entrance fee, cottage free, and foods are very affordable. The place is surrounded by a green forest, cold winds, and fresh air. For me, that place is perfect if you want to breathe a fresh air. A healthy place to visit and relax. Hindagan Falls is located in St. Bernard, Southern Leyte, Philippines. This place is a perfect destination for locals to celebrate birthdays, family picnics, and school reunions. We visited on that nice place last June 2019 when my daughter decided she will celebrate her birthday in that place. That place is a cascade of waterfalls that pour into a series of man-made pools. I love how the pools are made. My daughter and nieces love that place too much. When I was there, I really enjoyed every minute. I like the cold water and the fresh air that come from trees.